In this session, we will discuss atomization and excitation in atomic spectroscopy. To analyze a sample for its atomic constituents, it has to be atomized. What is atomizer? Atomizer is a device which converts metal ions into atoms. Flame is the earliest discovered atomizer. For example, the flame test. The flame test of sodium. For flame test, we put the salt over the platinum wire and put it into flame. Salt upon heating goes to metal gaseous in ground state, which take further heat from the flame, goes to the excited state atoms. When excited state atoms come to the ground state, they emit characteristic radiation of that element. Atom from the excited state coming to the ground state. What is atomization? It is a process of conversion of solid or sample solution into atomic vapors or the analyte to free unbound atoms. Flame atomization, when solutions of metal ions are placed in a flame. One can place solution of metal ions as a sample, and this sample is drawn into the flame by a process called aspiration. In the flame, solvent evaporates, leaving behind crystals of formally dissolved salt. The metal ions atomize, that is, they are transformed into atoms inside the flame. Sodium ions aqueous upon heating goes to sodium ground state gaseous atoms. They take the heat of the flame, goes to excited state, and when excited state atoms come to the ground state, they emit characteristic radiation. This diagram shows processes occurring in flame atomizer. Sample solution undergoes nebulization into spray. What is a nebulizer? Sample is sent from here and there is a nebulizing gas so that to convert sample into aerosol. Then upon heating, solvent evaporates, that is desolvation, and one get what we call it as dry aerosol. Upon heating, volatilization, we get free atoms. Free atoms can give rise to ions, and free atoms can also combine to give molecules. All these processes occur inside the flame. This diagram shows processes occurring in flame atomizer. Ions in solution. First step is nebulization, the formation of aerosol, then desolvation, the ionic solid is formed. Next is liquefaction, the solid melts, then vaporization, the Ma gas is formed. Further heat from the flame give rise to atomization, where the salt gaseous is converted into atomic state gaseous. Next step is excitation, where the ground state gaseous atom goes to the excited state. Here M plus represent metal cation, A negative is the associated anion. M naught and A naught are the ground state of free atoms. We have discussed flame as atomizer. There are other atomizers as well which are doing the same function as that of flame. Flame atomizers are used in atomic absorption, flame photometry, and atomic fluorescence, whereas other atomizers are graphite furnace, Dalwas cup, borohydride vapor generator, inductively coupled plasma, spark or arc across a pair of electrodes. In each case, in addition to atomization, excitation of atoms also occurs. This table shows types of atomizers used in atomic spectroscopy: flame, electrothermal vaporization, inductively coupled plasma, electric arc, and electric spark. These are the various atomizers used in atomic spectroscopic instruments. Thanks for watching this video.